We recently took delivery of a new gas turbine and generator at Poolbeg Energy Hub. With a combined weight of over 600 tonnes, they arrived at Dublin Port before being offloaded and transported to site. Once operational, the unit will provide up to 299 megawatts of flexible power, enough to supply electricity to over 600,000 homes when the plant is running, helping to meet Ireland's energy needs when it matters most. The turbine is designed to start and connect to the grid in about 25 minutes, delivering a rapid response when required. It is also capable of operating with a 20% hydrogen mix, supporting our transition toward a cleaner energy future. This milestone reflects the dedication and expertise of specialist teams working together for safe delivery.